Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to zoom in Figma 2025. Figma is an essential tool for designers, and mastering navigation like zooming can seriously boost your productivity. Whether you're working on intricate UI designs or collaborating in real time, knowing how to zoom efficiently is a game changer. Let's jump right in. First off, the simplest way to zoom in Figma is using your mouse. Just place your cursor over the canvas and scroll the mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. It's intuitive and works seamlessly, especially if you're on a desktop setup. For those using a trackpad, like on a Mac, you can pinch to zoom. Just use 2 fingers to pinch in or out on the trackpad for smooth magnification. Next, let's talk keyboard shortcuts, which are super handy for speed. Hold down the Control key, or CMD on Mac, and scroll your mouse wheel to zoom in and out quickly. You can also use Ctrl+++ to zoom in and Ctrl+- to zoom out. Pro tip: press Ctrl+0 to reset the zoom to fit the entire frame on your screen. In 2025, Figma has enhanced these features with better responsiveness, so they work even on high-resolution displays without lag. If you prefer using the interface directly, head to the top toolbar. Click on the magnifying glass icon, then select your desired zoom level from the drop-down, like 50%, 100%, or 200%. For precision, you can also double-click on a frame to zoom in on it automatically. These methods make it easy to focus on details without losing context. Remember, practicing these techniques will make your workflow faster and more enjoyable. If you're new to Figma, combining zooming with panning, using the spacebar and drag, is a powerful combo. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips. See you in the next one.